Going to terrace 1. So decided to put kamote here on the side. This one. The, we will put the kamote here na lang. Needs Roger. And then the area of the kamote there will become ano na, Chinese cabbage and cabbage, so that the seedlings are near because it's flat. We'll see what can be planted here, but they said it's difficult for kamote because it's stone, no? So we'll see what we can, maybe the sile or whatever, something that is low lying because of the strong wind coming from southwest. This is where, remember, they planted basil. It was not well taken care of lang by Litoy during his time. Yeah. Maybe the sili, I don't know. We'll see na lang. Because I wanted the race to be all pepper family. Whatever is in excess, maybe we can put it here. So they will plant kamote here. Kamote na lang here, Roger needs. Remember, this used to be the Chinese pechay. Litoy's time. They want to use the flat area for the veggies. Clear. I think, Roger, this is more than 1 hectare. This is more than 1.2 or 1.5 hectares. See now. Okay. pa yung plano natin sa Kalabasa Munich, but we still can we're still busy with our cabbages. Chinese pechay pala. Kisa si tsunami. Di kaabot ang tsunami dire. Mao de si Roger di ganahan dul sa dagat. Ganahan sa bukid. To, di gid sa. Gwapo na yung mga sunflowers kino. Na nakay-supply ko mintang Jew eh. Wild man. Let it stay lang siguro kino. No? Para yung buds niya mahulog. Kanina uga ba?
Aster.
Tinuod ni nga aster tong kanina basura man to. Aster.
Aster to dili to aster.
Ang akong tingala nganong di pa mamutibok ang iyang marigold as whole ba no? Kanang like a ball. Must be the soil. Di, mao ni siya. To African ba? Must be the soil. Wapagani mi ka seedling sa arugula. Kay daghan na kayog seedling. Isa sa okra. Peanuts ha? Cashew?
Tiksi ko sunod niya butang kina pagdaog kuan sinsil.
Ah. Tsaka maso. Magmaso silang tuwa dito. Kanto na mas makadato. Dili ang okra. Ato storyahan sa damgo. Nay duro. Kuyog yun diri. Nice the rose no. Oh, para magbola, oh, sakto ka. Lahi man na siya nga litsugas nay. Lahi na siya. Oh, di lahi na siya, oh, pero mamula pero basig lahi na siya. Lahi na, oh. Murag lahi na siya, ambot lang. Lingon si Ma'am Nidsin mo. Wind still strong, no?